Welcome to our laundry facility. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to our 3-load washers. These machines are designed to make your laundry experience as convenient as possible. You'll notice that they accept both credit cards and cash, specifically quarters, making payment a breeze. Each wash cycle is just $7, and there's plenty of space for all your laundry needs. Whether you're a single person with a smaller load or someone looking to combine multiple loads, these washers are perfect for you. Let's talk about how to load your laundry into these washers. You'll find that they can accommodate a variety of laundry sizes. For those smaller baskets, you can easily fit them in without any hassle. Additionally, we offer larger fabric softener options, as well as space for your bleach or detergent. When loading, remember to put your detergent in the bottom compartment, while your fabric softener and bleach go into the designated areas. This setup ensures that your laundry gets the best care possible. Now, let's discuss how to use the washers effectively. Each machine allows you to select your preferred wash temperature, hot, warm, or cold. This feature is essential for ensuring that your clothes are cleaned according to their specific needs. Once you've loaded your laundry and selected the temperature, simply close the door. All the instructions are conveniently located on the side of the machine, guiding you through the process. It's as simple as pushing the door in and pulling the handle down to start your wash. As your laundry begins to wash, it's important to understand the cycle. For instance, when using bleach, the machine will prompt you to add it at the right time, specifically when it indicates to add bleach in the big compartment. This ensures that your clothes are treated properly and that the bleach works effectively. Your fabric softener will be added at the top, allowing for a perfect blend of cleaning and softening agents throughout the wash cycle. In conclusion, our 3-load washers are designed with your convenience in mind. With a capacity of 30 pounds, they are perfect for handling various laundry loads efficiently. The combination of easy payment options, user-friendly instructions, and effective washing capabilities makes these machines a great choice for anyone looking to simplify their laundry routine. So, whether you have a small or large load, you can trust that our washers will deliver excellent results every time.